Welcome to Assemble, a boutique retreat facility here in Boise, Idaho's North End. Come inside, I'll give you a tour. This facility holds at least 11 people, depending on whether people share or not, and it has multiple meeting spaces and activations. Right here is the boardroom and dining room. On that corner over there will be a motorized TV arm. Over here is our open concept kitchen. You can use it for catered lunches, for cooking, or even have an exclusive dinner with a private chef. Let's go through here. There'll be beautiful French doors that open, and they'll all be sound rated so you can't hear between the two rooms. This is our meeting room. Every chair will be swivelable, and a TV will be on that wall over there. The walls will all be whiteboard, and any furniture can be moved out so that you can use the space however you'd like. All of our windows are also sound rated so that you won't hear any of the airborne sounds outside. Let's go upstairs where there are 5 bedrooms. We will start with the Einstein room. Each one of our rooms is named after a famous physicist. This room features a balcony as well as a large bathroom that includes a tub, and every room also features a desk and sitting area as well. One of the challenges of building in a historic district is to figure out how to maintain the design and the beauty while also making it modern. So we've been able to add a bathroom in very creative ways in different rooms, especially this one. Right over here is the Oppenheimer room. Again, you can see that the bathroom is fully stocked. It's got a toilet, a sink, and a shower. And then right over here is the Galileo room. There'll be beautiful paneling on this wall. Obviously a lot of natural light, and again, a closed off private ensuite. The door will be right over here in this landing so that you walk into a very private space. You climb up these stairs and you walk into your own private corner suite. Again, full bathroom, toilet, shower, sink. Now we're going to go downstairs to see the remaining 6 rooms. This is a room for the visually and hearing impaired. There'll be visual alerts as well as braille throughout the room. Again, it has this ensuite bathroom that's private. This right here is the ADA room. It's fully compliant with all the laws required for wheelchairs to be able to move around freely. This right here is the powder room. It's also ADA compatible, and it's large enough as well for anybody getting ready for an event. The 4 remaining rooms on the addition side of the house are around me. Each of them again has an ensuite bathroom, toilet, and shower. Because they're a little smaller, the ensuites will be separated with frosted glass panels. All right, let's check out the backyard. On that corner over there is a fully operating kitchen, and along this expanse right here is a dining area that'll be covered with shade sails. Right over there will be a gym that's fully stocked with plates, kettlebells, and other functional movement equipment. Over here, there'll be a 26 by 15 lounging area. It can be used for an outdoor hang, or even the furniture can be removed for yoga and movement. Right over here is our wellness spa. There'll be a custom-built sauna over here for 8 people. There'll be 3 cold plunges here, and in the back there will be a 13-person jacuzzi. Right over there is our outdoor locker room. There'll be 2 changing areas, an outdoor shower, cubbies, and a bench. Behind our fence, there'll be 3 parking spots, one that is ADA accessible, one that is for electric charging, and one that's normal, so 3 in total, as well as bike racks. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more. We can give you a real tour or another virtual live tour. Just get in touch, and we hope to see you soon.